Hello and welcome guys to Server Client 101. This here is chapter 3 of our how to set up a home server guide, and today I wanted to show you on how to set a remote desktop connection up, so basically that you can connect from the client and you don't have to run every time to the server if you want to get something done. I mean, I've got it very easy. I got 2 tabs in my VMware, but you maybe don't, because it may be like, you've got your server in a complete other room, you watch this tutorial and now you like jump around in the whole house just to get everything set up. So therefore we need a remote solution so that we can connect from the client to the server. And then you could even go ahead and put the monitor, keyboard and mouse away from the computer and just leave the computer up like that. Good. I've got Windows XP Professional, and I hope you do too. Otherwise, this method won't work. I maybe will do a tutorial on how to do it on Windows XP Home Edition with third-party software, but the native way won't work on Windows XP Home Edition, just on the Pro. Good. First, click on Start, right-click on My Computer, and then click on Properties. Then click on Remote, and allow remote assistance invitations to be sent from this computer, and also allow users to connect remotely to this computer. Then just click on Apply and OK. And next we need to set a password for our administrator user. So we go to the control panel, user accounts, go to our user account and say create a password. And now we will create a password, whatever. Okay, it's set up. No, we don't want to make it private, or do we? No. Good. So now we have a password enabled. If we then go to the client and run the remote at the remote thingy, you will see that if you run it, and if you type in the IP address of our server, it will connect to this here and you will be prompted with a login screen. So I'll type in administrator, type in my password, just click on OK, and boom, here we are. This is the client. We could double click on that and then we would have it in a window kind of mode. Can go to control panel, can do whatever I like. In fact, that works pretty good. You can see that there is some lag because it goes over network, and if you drag something around you can definitely notice the lag that there is. But it is enough, I can tell you, to do file operations, to do maintenance. Yeah, everything works fine. Good. You could even go ahead and save the login credentials on your computer. I wouldn't recommend this, because then everybody could just go ahead and launch up your remote desktop connection client and connect to the server. But if you want, you can go ahead to start remote desktop connection and then go into the options and say allow me to save credentials. We click on connect, specify the password for the computer, click on OK, and now it will remember the password. Meaning that if we disconnect, relaunch the remote desktop client, and we click on connect, it will automatically enter the password and we are in without entering the password. So now, how does the server look like? Are we logged off or what is going on? If we go back to the server, we are prompted with a login box. We just can enter our password in here. Oops. Our password in here, and we're back to business. Yeah, that's basically the part about remote networking. But there's one more thing that you should keep in mind, because if you want to boot up your server now, you always had to, type in a password if you wanted to log in. But seriously, on a server you don't want that. I mean, I don't. If you want it, you can leave it like it is, and you can now leave the tutorial. Goodbye. But for the others who want to let their server start automatically, they go on to Start, Run, go to the Control User Passwords to dialog, and untick Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Then they click Apply, enter their password twice they had for the username of administrator, and the passwords did obviously not match because I'm very stupid. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we are. Okay, and now it's set up so that it will automatically log on. So thank you very much for joining these tutorials. I hope you have fun with them. Leave a comment, thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like it. And yeah, bye.